Hi Ash, what we're going to be doing in this video tutorial is show you how to do a blog post for your new website. Okay, so I'll just quickly show you here on the top end of it. When you post a new blog post, it automatically adds it to the articles and news page. So this is one that I did as a sort of a tester one the other day, JGH Morgan's The Dream. And then your new one, when you come in, will appear above there. And then any more you put on will just keep appearing in there. Okay, the great thing is they're all findable online, so just keep putting out any articles from the magazine, just convert them digitally and get them straight out onto the website. They're going to have a massive effect for you. Okay, so how to do it? Basically what you'll do is log into the dashboard of your website, come across here to posts and click on posts. Okay, this is the one that I just showed you on the front end. What we're going to do now, we're going to add new. I've already got an article which I've taken from one of the magazines. This one here. I'll call it A Trial of Tears by Leslie Shanks. We're going to use this one. So we'll just nick the copy the title. So once you've got it there, what you do with this, you've copied your title, come down here for SEO stuff, paste your title into there, click on meta description, paste the title in there. This part here, slug, will get auto-generated, so that will get filled in automatically. Choose here for what categories. I'm going to put it into both at the moment. If you think of a new category, just click on Add New. Say if Leslie Shanks is putting in lots and lots of different articles for you, she could have a category on her own where it's just her stories, so you can do that. Or there's all sorts, but we can always add them later on. Also here, Set Featured Image. Click on there, we're going to upload an image. So I've already got an image at the top here. Why is that not picking up? And I've already put the keyword into it. I'll just give that a capital letter just to tidy it up. Let's just ignore me anyway. Just double click. Oh no, just put it up. Put in the alt text, what your keyword is that you're doing, and put it in there. Okay, this text that we're putting in as a keyword, this is just an article. This isn't a focused lead generating post. I'll cover that in more details later on when we get to that stage. But for now, for just putting up good quality content, good stories, I would recommend just doing the title of it with the author next to it, or something similar like that, because that's what people will be looking for and wanting to read. Okay, once you've done that, just hit publish up here. That will make the actual document live and give it its own permalink. And now we're going to come in, we're going to hit edit with Elementor. And we're going to go in and start just tidying it up. It's automatically taken the picture that we put in, the featured image. It's put in automatically the title. It's put in the categories, and it's put in my author details because I'm the one who published it. So from here, what we're going to choose now, I'm going to add a new section, full length, and then here, just going to click on the burger icon twice and you'll get heading in there, and again, we're just going to put in our title. Click the burger icon again, and we'll get text editor, put that underneath, and we'll put in our let's see if I'll find international. I've got the O on my keyboard is having loads of problems and keeps not working. It's from I'm going to have a look, see if I've still got it there. Did I? That's the latest issue. Right, I can't remember what issue it was from, but it might be worth, when you're doing this, you could make a note of what issue it is, because the person who's written it might want to get a digital copy of this. So we can just put a little link in there about what we'll do. We'll just send them to the store. Yeah, so we're going to put a link in. We're going to send them to the actual store. Click that. Yeah, happy with that. Go. We're going to ask them to support MHI by posting their comments. As you can see here, it's got leave a comment. Let's see if I can copy that link address. There we go. So we've just copied that in there so people can post comments. Okay, so I've just put in a new one, and I'm just going to come in. I'm just going to copy all of this text because it's already written, it's all been done. Paste. Okay, so there we go. So we've put all the text in. If we want to go through, we can go in and put some new pictures in now. So if we want to put new pictures in, I'll just put some random ones in. So put in there, and you see we've got add media. I'm going to put a few, move my head out of the way. Right, I'll just upload. Doing my own head in it. You can see they're all uploading now. Now, with all these, always put in the alt text, and in the description have what is actually in the picture. Okay, so we'll just put in that one. No, let's put in all 5 of them. So what we'll do, we don't want all 5. Just come in, delete them like you would do anything else. Just tidy things up. Scroll down. Like that one. So you can come on this, enlarge it. If you want to edit, you can come in, I'll give you the sizes. Let's go full size. Obviously a small little image because I've just taken them out of the magazine. I think as you've got the proper images, so you can come in and make these full size a lot better. So there, as you can see, they're just appearing. down the bottom. There we go. So, like I said, because these are small images, that's why they're not looking very big here, because they're going in as the size. But if you've got the proper quality images, you'll be able to put these in and make them much larger. Another way to put images in is if you put some text in, you can then come across to here and pick up an image file. And then you can come in here and do different things to the images, shrink it down, do whatever you want to them. You can just have a play. You can't really break any of this. So we've got that there. What I want to do now, I'm going to put some other bits and pieces in. So if we click on that templates one there, open, it's the end of an article, so I always put in, right, contribute to Morgan Horse International, so that can go in there. Then underneath there, click on this one again, and we want to insert social media links. I'll just remove that picture because it doesn't. Oh, I've just deleted the whole thing. Insert. I'm just going to move the picture. So if you see this little icon, go to Style, just bin the picture. It's got a background overlay on. So I'll clear that. There we go. Follow us. It's got an outgoing link to the Morgan Horse Museum. So it gives us a nice outbound link. And there you go. So now you've got a full article on there. If you want to link to more articles, when you come down to the bottom here, say in between these two, we'll go plus. I'm going to add another section. I'm going to click on there. And then what we're going to do, click on your hamburger bar. Here we go, we can put our posts in. Well, that's the pro version ones. We don't want that. There is a just got to find it. Where are you? This is all pro stuff as well. I am going to be upgrading yours to the pro stuff. Ultimate add-ons, there you see, we've got ultimate add-ons in here, so we can come through here. I'm sure there's a post one in here. Posts, there we go, I knew it would be there. We can put that in. There you go. And what this will do, it will give you a different styling for all your other creative feeds. Quite nice looking one. There you go. So all your new articles will start popping up underneath and populating on the page, and that's once that's in place, that'll just do that automatically. Okay, once you're happy with that, press the update key, and then we're going to come back. We're just going to do a little bit on the SEO side of stuff. Like I said, this is an article, not a keyword orientated post. So we've got a little green smiley face, which is good. Here you've got your meta description, so you want to come in. Just write in what it's about. Story about TSM. You want this green, this bar. A-tater? He's not. He's tater, isn't he? He's not A-tater. He's like potato. Morgan Halsett had been mistreated. However, with plenty of TLC, Tate was brought back to health. You could obviously rewrite this slightly to match what you're talking. Here, it gives you a breakdown. What's good. Key phrase distribution will be difficult to do because it's a large article, so I won't worry about 2 there. Key phrase density. Focus key phrase was found 3 times. And it recommends it's found 4 times for a text of this length. Okay, so what we'll do, we're going to go through, we'll update that. And then we're going to put the key phrase once more. And I know how we're going to do this. We'll just put the images down the bottom. And where I said we're going to have an image, I'm going to use that, just an example. In fact, what I'll do, I'll put a separate double block in. I'll choose an image. Go for that one. I'm going to put and insert that media. Put a heading there. Centralize that. Update. And then we can come back and we can just have another quick look. Hopefully that'll go green. Yep, good for that. There you go. So the only bad thing it's saying now is the key phrase distribution. But we've got it appearing, everything else is green, which is good. So I'm happy with that. I'll update that. And then if we come back here, refresh our page. And here we go. We've got Trial of Tears by Leslie Shanks. It has the image there. You can click on it. And it'll open up the full story, which people can read. There's the picture at the bottom. Contribute to Morgan Horse International there. And then the latest stories popping up on the feed. Follow us. And then leave a comment. So I'll see if that leave a comment works. There we go. So you can come on, click on that, it takes straight down to leaving a comment on the article. Okay, so that's it. That's a post on. Like I said, it's an article post. It's not a keyword optimized post as such, but it is always worth doing this to make sure you've got its best chance of getting found online. Okay, so now that's how to do it, and it will be practice. Just get on and start putting all your articles and everything you can up on here. Okay, if you've got any questions, remember you can just contact me and I'll always be here to help you out. Okay, or if you want another demonstration, just let me know and I'll do another demo for you. Okay, cheers, and I'll speak to you later, Ash.